Okay, so imagine this. Right now, there is something pushing the universe apart. It's not a force like gravity. It's not something like matter, not something. And it's something we don't even know. We barely know about it. And we call it dark energy. And today's question is, what if this dark energy suddenly disappeared? Yes, and again, physics really hates us. Okay, dark energy isn't a normal type of energy. It doesn't glow, it doesn't clump, it doesn't kind of have a visual thing. It doesn't even pull things together like normal objects do due to gravity, Newton. But dark energy makes space itself expand, push apart. It expands the universe faster and faster. Right now, 63% of the universe is made up of this dark energy, and we barely even know it. Galaxies are flying away from each other. The expansion of the universe is due to this dark energy, and without this dark energy, the universe behaves very differently. Okay, so the first thing, important thing is nothing explodes and nothing just shreds down. Okay, it's not like that. If dark energy just disappeared, vanished right now, Earth stays fine, the solar system stays fine, the Milky Way stays fine. Because dark energy is ridiculously weak on small scales. Gravity wins locally, even though it's one of the weakest fundamental forces. Still, gravity wins locally. So, no cosmic jump scare yet. So, this is where things change. The expansion of universe slows down, stops accelerating, and stops. There is no expansion of the universe. Now gravity is back in charge, and gravity only knows one thing: pull things together. Okay, so the thing, there are two possibilities. The universe keeps expanding forever. Okay, no matter density is low enough, expansion continues, but just very very slow. No big rip, no heat death, just a quiet drifting universe, but it would be expanding very slowly. Okay, and option 2, the big crunch. So if gravity wins hard enough, when expansion stops, galaxies move closer. There are a lot of blue shifts. The universe contracts and eventually into a big crunch. It which only depends on one thing: total matter density, curvature of space, what dark energy really was. And we don't know these precisely. Okay, so without uh, dark energy, galaxy forms more easily. Galaxies cluster grow larger, matter clumps faster. In a way, dark energy actually prevents structure. So if it vanished early in cosmic history, the universe would be denser, clumpier, and more violent. Maybe even chaotic for life. Maybe even life would not exist. Don't know. So the deeper question: dark energy might not be a force, a field, or even energy. It could be a property of space itself. That's why there were two possibilities. Uh, the one we said before, that universe will expand normally but slower, or the big crunch. And the first possibility is because it's not something of a force or field or energy, it's just a property of space time itself. Dark energy can't just disappear without space time itself changing, which means if dark energy vanished, the laws of physics might change with it, and that's pretty terrifying. So if dark energy disappeared, the universe wouldn't explode, nothing would break, but the entire laws of the cosmos, the future of the cosmos would definitely change. Acceleration would stop or slow down. If gravity wins, there is a big crunch, and the universe could collapse or drift forever. We don't know, because we don't know what dark energy even is. And the worst part, again still don't know what it is. So, and again, physics really hates us, and I will catch you in the next one.